I'm from the village close to where we are here, which is Luka village. When we came about, we said, look, we are a resident company, resident as in Luka, and Impala is synonymous with Luka. The first big project that we did was to build a school for the Department of Education. It was a project then in 2001. I surrounded myself with the relevant guys, both from project management, supervisors, foremen. And I was on site every day throughout the processes, and I quickly assimilated and learned the ropes. Fast forward from there, I then started construction, Black Hawk Builders, which was registered in 1997. In 2014, we did some tenders with the mine, and here we are. We have been the first construction company of the first tier in Bafokeng to get a vendor. Now we are in the Impala vendor system, and we have been awarded successfully a project to do, which is the conversion of a workshop into HRD training center. We started this project in the beginning of May. We were 3 weeks into the project. It's a 2 months project. And so far so good, we're doing well. There's some little challenges here and there, but with the experience that we have, we're managing to overcome the hurdles.
We impact far and wide from a national perspective, and it's very important for us to bring more and more procurement opportunities closer to our operations. We have communities that are in and around us, and the more and more entrepreneurs we develop through our incubation systems, the better we will be. Ultimately, what it does is it does transfer manufactured capital from other parts of the country to the Rustenburg area or to the Marula area, but ultimately that's good for your local communities.
Because I'm near Impala, I applied to them to have a vendor, and it didn't take me long, and I started supplying them. And they told me there are challenges, and I provided a solution. RaceCorp provides the support, the guidance. I've got a team that is guiding me, that is taking care of me, which have interest in the growth of my business. But they do not only lead me, they allow me and advise me. And I discuss everything that I want to do with them. I bounce off with them, and they help me with their advices.
Our business is developing, mainly because Impala has got a relationship with ORIC, which I am a student at actually, and it's actually Impala that is paying for my studies there. And ORIC has developed us tremendously.
I was born in Kanana village, which is about less than 10 minutes drive from here. We are in Impala. Over the years we've grown, and at the moment we have a staff complement of 104, with over 90% of that staff being women, and also 90% of the staff being local. I know Impala is excited about the developments. I do not expect, though, from my side, from Impala to come and give me work. I don't want to be treated differently. I'm a competitor by nature. I have to go out there in to their various entities and market the JV. I would like to thank Impala. In the past few weeks, I've been doing presentations, can I say interviews as well, with various departments within Impala, and that has created an awareness for our JV within Impala. It's all up to me now to go back to their shafts, to mineral process, to the services department, and make sure that we continue where Rent2Kill left it. We correct if there were any inefficiencies in the past.
We as a mining company cannot operate in a vacuum. We cannot assume we're an island. We're part of the greater South Africa. And we believe that we must put South Africa first in whatever we do. And that should form the basis of our decision making as we move forward.